And welcome to another video today. So in previous video we have seen how can we install the on-premises data gateway. We have also seen what is an on-premises data gateway. So today we'll be seeing how can we utilize the on-premises data gateway. But before that, uh, I want to explain what kind of gateways are available in Power Automate. So there are two kinds of gateway available. First is the simple that we have installed on premises data gateway, which allows multiple users to connect to multiple on premises data gateway. Basically, if I have one gateway, so multiple users can connect to that gateway, right? And second one is the personal mode. For that, only one user can connect to one on-premises data gateway. So there are two kinds of on-premises data gateway. Now let's see how can we utilize it, right? So I have just created a file. Simple output file is there in my input folder. So this is the file. So we will be copying this file to our this copy folder, right? So how can the Cloudflow interact with local file system is using the on-premises data gateway, right? So if I go in here and create a new flow, right, let me just name it file system, click create. Let me choose the old designer and let me have the file system, and then let's just choose copy file. And so in the connection name you can give any connection that you remember, or you can relate with your process. For example, you have a username and you want to relate it with the username, which username wants to use that connection, right? So for here we can give gateway, and then you can give user 01. Then root path is what a root path means. The Cloudflow will take, so if I give till HP, so Cloudflow will take all the paths from HP. So all the folders in my HP folder will be shown in here. Now authentication type is Windows, and the username is basically, if you type who am I in the CMD, you will have the username here, right? So let me give the username, and let's just give the credential and the gateway we have created in our video. Let's just click create, right? So our connection is created. Now we will give the path. The path is this output file path. Let me just quickly copy this one and paste it here, right? And then I'll just have this copy folder path, and here overwrite can be yes or no. If file exists, it will overwrite yes or no, and click save, and let's just test it. Okay, so flow run has failed. The credential for this connection does not have access to this path. So the username what I have given does not have access to that path, means my admin account is not set up properly, or is not set up in that way that I can interact with any other application, for example the Power Automate Cloudflow. So in order to resolve this issue, you just what you have to do is you just have to go to control panel, user accounts, and you just have to create one more user account, right? For example, I have created one more user account with the name of Jabnoy, and I have given it administrator accesses. Okay, so the name is Jabnoy, so I'll just go here and I will just edit it. I can edit this gateway also. I'll show you how can I edit this gateway. For now, I'll just create a new connection. I'll name it Jabnoy user 01, and the root folder would be HP. Windows username would be, if I type in my Javnoy user, it will come as this, right? And password, you can give any password in the user account, and you click create, right? It has taken the values by default, and let's just save it and let's just test it. Okay, so my flow ran successfully. Let's just see the copy folder. Okay, so it has created the file successfully, or it has copied the file successfully. So this is how we can utilize the on premises data gateway in Power Automate. We will also see in the next video how can we utilize them in OneDrive or in SharePoint. For now, it is just to explain in simple ways in layman that how can we utilize on-premises data gateway and why it is required on our local system, so that it can the Cloudflow can interact with our local system. Basically, mostly where we use it is when we have an attachment right into our email and we need to download into the local system. On that purpose, we basically utilize them while reading that attachment, while reading that file, while getting that file content. We will also see how can we read the file content and how can we send it as an email attachment in more detailed video. Till then, you can practice this creating your own on-premises data gateway, and let me know in the comment section below what errors you have faced. Yeah, thank you for watching. Till then, happy learning. Bye. Happy automation.